Namaste students, in this video we are going to see exercise 10.2 7th and 8th problem. Two concentric circles are of radii 5 cm and 3 cm. So this is 3 cm radii circle and 5 cm. This circle is 5 cm. Clear children? Then find the length of a chord of the larger circle. For the larger circle you are going to draw a chord. Chord means that line should touch the circumference of the circle. Clear? So the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So I am going to draw chord like this. Draw like this. Now what you have to find, children? Find the length of the chord. For this chord you have to find the length of this chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. Circle. For the smaller circle, this line will be, can you tell, children? This line will be a tangent because this is the point of contact P, center. This is the radius of the smaller circle. And then what about this one? And this one. Mark this as A, B. This is the radius of the bigger circle, 5 cm, 5 cm. Now you can find this length AB easily. Now how we can find? Kana? If we find the one part, that PB or PA, anything, if we find means easily we can tell the length of the chord of the larger circle. Clear, children? So we have to find this missing side. For that, by which theorem we can tell that it is perpendicular? By theorem 10.1, tangent radius theorem. Okay, so by theorem 10.1, the tangent radius theorem, we can tell that O is the center of the circle, AB is a tangent for smaller circle, at the point of contact, P. So we can tell that OP perpendicular to AB. It implies angle OPB is equal to 90 degree. Clear, children? So by Pythagoras theorem, OB square is equal to OP square plus PB square. We have to find this PB only. Okay. OB is equal to 5 square and this is 3 square plus PB square. 25 is equal to 9 plus PB square. 25 minus 9 is equal to PB square. 16 is equal to PB square. PB is equal to root 16. Therefore, PB is equal to 4 centimeter. If this is 4 centimeter means obviously this one also 4 centimeter. So similarly, we can find or we can tell that BA is also 4 centimeter. Therefore, the length of the card AB is equal to 4 plus 4, 8 centimeter is equal to 8 centimeter. Clear, children? If there is any doubt? Next, eighth problem. A quadrilateral ABCD. So ABCD is a quadrilateral drawn to circumscribe a circle. So inside the quadrilateral, one circle will be there, no? So that is the circumscribe a circle. So a quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. You have to prove that AB plus CD. AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Actually, in the circle we know only two theorem. That theorem 10.1 and 10.2. Theorem 10.1 means if you are joining from the center to the point of contact means it will make 90 degree. And we know one more thing, that from the outside external point, if you are going to draw a tangent for a circle means the length will be equal. The length of the tangent will be equal. This length and this length will be equal. So for this problem, which theorem you are going to use, Kana? This theorem 10.2. You are going to use theorem 10.2 because this is a circle and if P is a point of contact means A will be external point. So AB and PAS will be the length of the tangents. Will be the length of the tangent. Clear, children? So part by part you can tell that AP is equal to AS if A is an external point. If B is here D is an external point means we can tell that DS is equal to DR. If C is an external point means we can tell that CQ is equal to CR. If B is an external point means we can tell that AB is equal to BQ. That one day I am going to write now. Clear, children? Before that you have to write given. Yeah, quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Start the proof. So by theorem 10.2, that is the theorem that the tangent segment from an external point to a circle are equal. The length of the tangent will be equal. So if A is an external point means we can tell that AP is equal to AS. Mark this as 1. If B will be the external point means AB is equal to BQ. Sorry, BP is equal to BQ. And CR is equal to CQ. Then DR is equal to DS. Mark this as 4. Add 1, 2, 3 and 4. AP, BP, CR, DR, LHS, RHS. Add everything. AS, BQ, CQ, DS. So I'm going to combine AP plus BP. AP plus BP will be AB. And this will be CD. Clear? And then this will be AS and DS. Not this two. This two. This one and this one. Clear, children? AS, DS. AS, DS. And then BQ, CQ. This will be AD and BC. Are you all clear, children? Therefore, we proved that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Clear, children? So, for this problem, we used 10.2 theorem, that is equal tangent theorem. Are you all clear, children? Thank you.